MNY stock analysis and MNY stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So seeing what's working, what's not. Especially now as we're sitting at 86. MoneyHero, well, it's not great, man. And look, I'm trying to be kind of not nice here. It's just a bearish freaking market. Yeah, this is the low of the range. This is the supply, and this is, keep in mind, the weekly chart, so that's tough. This is really tough. Not volatility whatsoever, but if there is a double break, still willing to sell. So there you go. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.